How to connect your AirPods Pro 3 to your Windows 11 computer. So it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now the first step is to open up the start menu on your computer and then just go and load up your settings. From the left hand side, select Bluetooth and devices, and obviously make sure your Bluetooth is turned on like this. Now once your Bluetooth is turned on, you can go and press add device. You'll then need to click on Bluetooth. Now once you've clicked on this, we can head over to the AirPods. Now make sure both of your AirPods are placed inside of the charging case like so, and obviously make sure you have sufficient charge on your AirPods Pro 3 case. Now what you need to do is place your AirPods into pairing mode. Now you can do that by opening the lid of your AirPods, and then you need to double tap this light on the front of the AirPods case, and you need to keep double tapping this until the light flashes white like so. Now if this doesn't work the first time round, you can try closing the lid of your AirPods, you can try opening them and double tapping this light once again. Now as soon as you see the flashing white light, let's head back over to our computer. Now go and close out of this window, and you may need to come back over to add device and click on Bluetooth once again. It's then going to rescan for any devices in the area. You could then click on show all devices, and you should be able to find your AirPods from this list. Now once you see your AirPods, go and select them from the list, and this will automatically connect to your AirPods Pro. Now if it doesn't work the first time round, you can just go and repeat this process, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find your AirPods from this list. So as you can see, my AirPods are connected here. If you see a button to connect, you can also go and press this to connect directly to the AirPods.